This is Park Farm Dairy. The business is called What's Fresh. We have been in operation now for just over 2 years. This was a new business diversification for Park Farm. We've always milked dairy cattle here for just over 100 years actually, and we wanted to retail our own product. So we built the dairy a couple of years ago, and we've been delivering to local doorsteps and businesses now for 26 or 27 months. We applied for Innovation Voucher funding with the digital dairy chain because we are one of the only on-farm milk processors in Scotland now. There's very few dairy farms that pasteurise and bottle their milk on site. So we wanted to engage with them early and let them know what we do here and see if there's anything that we can work together on. So we invested initially in glass bottling. We saw a good gap in the market for reusable bottles, and we decided that we would use a 1 litre bottle that has a closable cap. So that's been a real success. The customers love it, and because of that we've had to expand our glass bottling throughput, and we've invested in some new machinery to do that as well.
We had a filler that could only put 15 to 20 bottles per minute, and with the growth of the business we were probably needing to double that, maybe triple it. So we had to get another filler put in. It's a Dawson 9.3 filler. That's 9 filling heads and 3 capping heads. We had to get that converted and had to get change parts made for the 1 litre glass bottles because nobody else is doing them in bulk.
Digital Dairy Chain introduced us to 2 Strathclyde engineering students called Tariq and Ali. They were great. They came out initially, took some photos of the machinery that we were using, looked at the machinery we wanted to engineer. They also did some calculations for the throughput we might expect after the work had been done. And we also managed to do some 3D scanning of the dairy that helped us to make a decision on where we were going to position the new machinery and things like that as well.
We could only run 15 to 20 bottles a minute through the smaller filler, whereas when we put that one in, that gave us capacity to do a lot more, probably between 40 to 60 bottles a minute, which is huge for us as a business. The main thing Tariq found was he thought the capping was going to be pretty difficult because he thought the bottles were going to turn all the time. We've actually started to notice a wee bit of wear. It was Ali that gave us the inserts for the pedestals and the capper. So this could be something that we're definitely looking at in the near future.
So we're really happy now with the way that the dairy runs, with all the kit that we've got. The team are happy that they can fire milk through and we can get a great product out the other side. And that should be us now with the capacity that if we wanted to process more volume, we don't need to buy any more fillers or more kit. Having Digital Dairy Chain support to look at this project helped us to realise that what we're doing is the right thing, and we're putting our sort of money where our mouth is by bringing on more throughput for glass, and the doorstep customers, the feedback that we get from that as well is great.